Hi, my beautiful people. It's Angela again. I hope you guys are doing good from wherever you're watching me from. Today, I'm going to be doing a very easy dish. I'm going to be frying some tilapia fish. I just got it out of my fridge. I already spiced it 1 hour ago. Just leave it in the fridge to marinate. Now it's almost dinner time, so I'm going to fry them and we're going to enjoy it with dodo, that's fried plantain, and spice sauce, very spicy sauce. So we're going to be needing onion, tomatoes, some garlic and ginger already sliced, some pepper as well, very hot pepper. In here I have about 4 peppers, and I need some salt also for taste, and 1 stock cube, and I'm using palm oil also. And this is my deep fryer, what I'm going to be using to fry my plantain. Inside is oil. So I'm going to start by frying my fish. You can see in the pan I have already used oil. I'm going to be using that, so I'm going to heat it up, and as that is busy, I'm going to slice my plantain. You can see this is how I like slicing my plantain, the old school way. So now this is my fish. Yeah, just went in the oil. I'm going to fry it till it's properly fried. So as that is busy, I'm also frying my plantain, just putting all the plantain in my deep fryer. And this is my pan. I just added palm oil to it to fry my veggies. I just heat it up a little bit, not bleaching it. So I just added my sliced onion. It's a very easy dish. Now I'm adding my sliced ginger and garlic. I just fry it together for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding my pepper to it, my tomato, my salt, and the stock cube. You can see my cube is paste. That's chicken bouillon, chicken stock cube. So now this is my sauce, and my plantain is ready as well. My fish is also completely fried. So now I'm going to put the fish in the sauce for it to just soak that sauce a little bit. Now more colors, I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley to it, fresh herbs also as well. Now my food is ready, dinner is ready. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please help me to build my YouTube channel. Like my page, and those of you that have liked my page and subscribed, God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And those of you that are sharing my videos, God bless you. I really appreciate. And all the likes and comments, keep it rolling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This food is so yummy and spicy. I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys.